Let's talk through NVDA. Technicals are going to take a backseat this week because of earnings. Earnings is on Wednesday. I believe it's after market hours. But looking historically, what I love this setup is that NVIDIA really likes patterns. It really, really does. So we had a nice, big, beautiful flag break, bull flag, and we are in another one. So I love that. I love that we had a nice pullback, but I would love to see us be able to push and see some new all-time highs. So looking at the weekly, we've been inside this squeeze and I've been watching it. We squeezed outside of it on Friday and held, but that 130 has really been a difficult area for us to get past. We have not been able to hold above yet. Looking at the daily chart, you can see we broke through our daily trend line. It was beautiful, but we tapped that 130 area and plummeted. We sat on that trend line for a couple days before we really pulled back under. Friday, we did manage to push right back up underneath, just sitting right under that 130 area. Looking left, this is that 130 resistance zone right through here. So we don't have a ton of room to push up before we tackle it once more. We don't have a lot of resistance above us. We have a little bit on the 1 hour, I believe at 132, 135, and 138 to be mindful of. But on those larger time frames, we don't have a lot of resistance above us. So we could get a nice push to the larger 135 and that 140 area. But again, technicals take a back seat. We're going to have to see what happens with earnings, and we could chop leading right up to it. So be patient with NVIDIA this week.